Hey guys, it's Sheri Ann Richerson from Exotic Gardening, Experimental Homesteader, SheriAnnRicherson.com, and biannualblogathonbash.com. And we're out in my garden, and what you're looking at is lemon balm. I have a huge patch of it, and what I'm going to be doing today is harvesting it because we are just about at the flowering stage. And I can tell that by the way the plant actually looks. And so I know a number of people have asked to actually see the process. So I'm going to attempt to put this camera here and show you. Now, I go down on the stem. I go down about a third, maybe a little more. I think that's actually a little more. And I just clip the lemon balm off. I try to do it right above a leaf axil. And again, I'm not sure how much you can see in the video, but I try to do it just about right there. And the plant will continue to grow and branch. The reason you want to do this, first of all, in the early morning, right after the dew has dried, is because that's when your oils are going to be the strongest in any of your herbs. And the second reason is you want to do this before it flowers, because again, that is the time when you're going to have the strongest content of essential oils in these herbs. And even if you're using the herbs for crafts or cooking or whatever you're using them for, you really want that strong essential oil content. It makes the herbs a lot better. And that's not to say that you can't harvest at other times. Like for example, if you want to make some lemon balm tea and you don't have enough inside and it's 6 o'clock in the evening, you can certainly come out and harvest. But what you need to be aware of is the flavor may not be as strong as if you harvest first thing in the morning when the dew has just dried off the plant. Now, if I decide to use this to distill with, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this inside and I'm going to let the plant wilt just a little bit. That doesn't hurt it if you're distilling. If I decide that I'm going to dry these leaves to use over the winter, then I'm going to go inside and I'm going to gently rinse these off under cold water very quickly because I don't want to wash the oils off. And then I'm going to cut off any of the damaged leaves. You do have to check for damaged leaves. You have to check for bugs because they do get on lemon balm plants sometimes. And then I'll take all of the good, clean, bug-free leaves and I'll lay them single layer in my dehydrator and I will dehydrate them. Lowest temperature setting. You can do this in the oven too if you don't have a dehydrator, but you always want to use the lowest temperature setting because you don't want these oils to evaporate while you're drying them, because if they do, you're going to be left with a pretty tasteless herb. So this is basically lemon balm harvesting. Lemon balm is in the mint family. It will spread. So if you get a good patch going, it's going to come back from year to year. I am in USDA hardiness zone 5, 6, depending on which hardiness zone map you pay attention to. I am in Indiana, and this patch of lemon balm has been here since 2004. It's now 2018. This was one of the first herbs that I planted in my garden. When we moved in, I brought it with me from my other house, so you can transplant it. It's not a problem. And as you can see, I do have a very, very nice little patch going here. So, if you guys have any questions about lemon balm, go ahead and leave that in the comments below, and I will try to answer those. I do have an article over on the blog on Experimental Homesteader on distilling lemon balm. And of course, there are many, many ways you can use this plant, from the most common being tea, to muffins, cakes, anything that you can impart a lemon flavor to. This would be good to use as a seasoning for. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.